This mouse is living on the edge. Dining with the enemy takes a certain kind of bravery or a serious case of the munchies. This cat's reaction is priceless. True friendship knows no species boundaries. This heartwarming moment proves that sharing is caring, even if it means sharing your fries with a feline friend. This kitten is a tissue terrorist. Watch the adorable chaos unfold as this tiny whirlwind of destruction wreaks havoc on a box of tissues. This cat's acrobatic display is guaranteed to leave you hanging on every paw swing. Just hope you don't have any breakable bulbs nearby. This is a classic case of chill versus chaos. While the duck panics, the cat remains serenely unfazed. Zen master status achieved. This cat is a true friend indeed. A loyal companion and a surprisingly effective spotter, this feline is keeping its human safe from a potential ladder-related disaster. Witness the unexpected drama unfold as two feisty felines settle their differences with a good old-fashioned catfight. This cat's laid-back attitude is seriously enviable. If only we could all be so relaxed and enjoy a leisurely chat with our favorite human. This cat's reaction is a masterclass in expressive facial expressions. You can almost hear it saying, "Whoa, what in the world?" This cat's playful antics prove that sometimes the simplest toys provide the most entertainment. This cat's ceiling-destroying escapades are a testament to the power of feline curiosity and a touch of feline mischief. This cat is a true warrior. Witness the incredible bravery of this feline as it takes on a slithering opponent and emerges victorious. Sunday mornings were made for this, a man and his cat enjoying a peaceful slumber. pure bliss. This cat's hunting instincts are on high alert. Witness the comical struggle as this feline attempts to capture a pesky housefly. This cat's accidental appearance on multiple copies is a testament to its dedication to napping, no matter the circumstances. This kitten is living the dream. Indulging in a delicious sausage feast is a surefire way to win over any feline's heart. This cat is embracing the winter wonderland. Witness the pure delight as this feline frolics in the snow.